BGD 750 Versatile Sand Milling Dispersing Agitator are very suitable for laboratory staffers to use in the laboratory. These machines use squirrel-cage motor with low noise, minimal heat, and the screen directly displays the stirring shaft speed. Main parts are all made up of stainless steel, with corrosion resistance. The lifting rod can lift smoothly, and its own ruler can accurately control the height. Dispersion container is made of stainless steel and designed with a double-layer structure that can be connected to cooling water. The instrument includes 2 grinding plates, 4 dispersing blades,